Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store, and then you need to go to the search at the right bottom. Now you need to tap at the search line at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write EARFUN. Now search, and you should install the application what called EARFUN Audio. Now open it. Agree. You can sign in into your account or create a new one, but I'm going to skip it. Then, okay, click Allow, and we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!